Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here. We're looking at question number 56 from book 3 of the 2016 New York State exam. I don't like this question because the graph that they give you, they don't have any lines on it, so we need to come up with a strategy for how to deal with that. It says a park planner is designing a dog park. He wants to use a metal fence to enclose a kennel at the dog park. The vertices of the fence are shown below. The units on the coordinate plane are yards. The park planner wants to add a gate between points A and F. He will not put metal fencing on that side. What is the total number of yards of metal fencing that will be needed for the kennel at the dog park? You may use the grid below to help you solve the problem. Alright, so what we're going to do is let's break this coordinate plane up. What they don't do is they don't give you, lines. So I'm going to suggest you find kind of the middle of it and draw a line going this way. And then you're going to do the same thing going this way. And that way you're kind of ready to go to start plotting things. Alright, so once we do that, let's go ahead and plot point A, which is over 4 to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's important here is we want to make sure we put point A next to the dot so we can keep track. Point B, we're going to start at the origin, is left 4 and then down 4. Left 1, 2, 3, 4 and then down 1, 2, 3, 4. And once again we're going to put a B there. Point C, so these two are done. Point C, we're going to go left 4 because that's the x coordinate is negative 4. Left 4, so that's negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. And we're going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And let's put a C there. That one's done. Point D, we're going to go over 1 and then up 3. 1, 2, 3. And again, we'll put the letter next to it. That one's done. Point E, we're going to go over 1 and then down 1 and label it E. And then point F is going to be over 1, 2, 3, 4 and then down 1. And then we'll label it F. Now the thing that makes this question a bit tricky is you have to recall this part right here where it says the park planner wants to add a gate between points A and F. So that's right here. This is going to be the gate. Therefore, we don't need metal fencing there. So where we need metal fencing is we need it here. We need it here. We need it here. By the way, it's best to use a ruler when you do this on a state exam. We need it here. And we need it here. And they want to know how many yards this is going to be. How many yards? So that means we have to count the number of yards. What's the perimeter, excluding the red gate? Now, we also should just check to make sure that each unit is indeed a yard. So the units on the coordinate plane are yards. So that checks that from, say, here to here would be 1 yard. So once we've established that, then you have to pick a starting point. So I'm going to recommend we start at letter A, and we're just going to count how many units this is. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units going that way. So let's put a big old 8 there. We'll do it in purple. And then going this way, we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 going that way. And then here we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we're 1, 2, 3, 4 units. And then here we're 1, 2, 3 units. Alright, so again, we're adding up. To get this answer, we're adding up all the values. So we're adding an 8, a 7, a 5, a 4, and a 3. Whenever possible, you should do compatible numbers, because this and this is 15, plus 5, and then this and this is 7. And since this and this are easy to add, just finish up by adding all of those, and you're going to put that on the answer space right here. Whatever you get, you're going to put that on the answer space for yards. Good luck finishing that up, and make sure that you have all your letters and use a ruler and make sure everything's neat and tidy.